Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for the sign of Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Para sa gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Paki-search na lang siya sa Facebook. Hindi siya, hindi siya, hindi, hindi pala ako. Hindi ako nagpa-personal reading. Pero itong person na ito, itong binabanggit ko, si Jing Tarot Reader, siya nag-open siya sa personal reading. So, sa kanya na lang kayo mag-inquire. Ayan, kung mag-i-inquire, kung mag-open ako ng personal reading, a-announce ko na lang yun sa TikTok. Yan. This is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anxiety and soulmate. Okay, Earth sign. Why? Why, Earth sign? Single is here. There's a spiritual connection, especially soulmate is here. Come together. May person ako nakikita dito. He or she is scared, natatakot, nahihiya, na some of you, this could be a friend. There's this friendship sa inyo. And this could be a single person, pero if not a single person, might be someone who is open na magbigay ng some kind of proposal. Yan, because, marami siyang time na available, or maybe meron siya nakikitang pwede niyang i-offer for you. And this person wants to have a meeting, a reconciliation, or maybe even a contract with you. Gusto niya na may panghawakan sa'yo. Pero, yeah, even partnership with a soulmate. So, gusto niya ng partnership. Maraming pagkakapareho sa inyo nitong person na ito. And this person really do respect you a lot. Nire-respeto ka niya. But he or she is currently scared. Hindi niya alam kung paano sasabihin sa'yo, yung plano niya, yung offer niya, etc. Tell me more for the sign of Earth sign. For the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. For the sign of Earth sign, lost is here, history. This could be a past person wherein either binlock mo na siya, or kinut off mo na siya, or vice versa. Binlock ka niya, kinut off ka niya, maybe in the past. If not now, maybe in the past. So you do have here pretending and hamster wheel. So nakikita natin na gusto niyang baguhin itong, the hamster wheel is about changes. Gusto niyang baguhin yung, like, this person wants to offer you something kasi gusto niya may mabago. And this person finds you somehow rare, kakaiba. Mahirap makakita ng katulad mo. And I want you. Gusto ko ng ganyan. Whatever you have in life, whatever you do in life, I'm interested. I want to be part of it. Gusto niya maging part noon. And settlement is here. So this person wants to have an agreement with you. Gusto niyang makausap ka. Pero nahihiya siya eh. I want to know, bakit siya nahihiya or bakit siya natatakot? Tell me about this, please. You do have your done, which is completion or lesson learned. Bakit siya nahihiya? Natatakot. Tragedy, there's this forbidden love. Some of you, there's another person or people na involved sa connection na ito. So, hindi pwede na basta-basta siyang umentra to tell you etong kanyang Some of you, kung wala namang third party na involved, this could mean maybe you have cut off this person, blocked this person. So, di ba? Bakit pa ako entra ng buhay mo? Nakablock nga ako, di ba? Some of you ganun. But this person wants more from this connection. Gusto niya pa ng more sa connection na ito. Hindi pa siya fully satisfied. If you are already done, kumbaga, alis ka na sa buhay niya, feeling niya hindi pa yung tapos, hindi pa tayo tapos sa ganito. May kasunod pa to. Hindi ako papayag na ganito lang. Diba? Itong person na ito, yeah, I feel like gusto niyang madugsungan, gusto niyang masundan yung story ninyo. So, if this is really a past person, guys, can you see this card? It's history, and there's this Egyptian statue over here. So, it is something na kailangan pinapahalagan, tinetreasure. Hindi siya basta-basta pwedeng basagin. Hindi siya basta-basta pwedeng pakialaman. It is iniingatan. Because this is part of history. And ganun yung nararamdaman natin sa person na ito. Hindi ka niya basta-basta kang kakalimutan. Kung ano man yung nabuo ninyo, na-establish ninyo, itong past person na ito, para sa kanya, hindi pa to tapos. Hindi pa to tapos. If you are familiar with clay, yung clay, no, bago mo kasi yung tapusin or pinturahan, you need to wait for it to completely dry. Diba? Kailangan maghintay. Hindi pwedeng after mong mabuo yung piece, yung clay, makagawa ka ng figura, ng figurine or whatever, pipinturahan mo na hindi. Kailangan mo siyang hintayin. And the way I see this history, this Egyptian statue over here, it looks like a clay for me. So, yung clay, maybe this is your connection with this person na parang kailangan pa niya munang maghintay bago tapusin itong connection ninyo. Hindi pa ito tapos sa ganito eh. Hindi pa siya papayag na ganyan lang. Something is really going to happen with us in the future. Pero wait lang. Kailangan mo na maghintay. Yung energy ng person na ito, naghihintay siya. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future. You do have your drastic, drama queen, and one more card. Intervention. Wow. In the near future, I feel like etong person na ito is nakakita tayo ng pagka-cut off mula sa kanya, so I can see na possible na hindi siya makikipag-connect. But that is behind, or that is, kabaliktaran, opposite nitong kung ano man ang totoong nararamdaman niya. Because the intervention, it's like, especially if there's other involved, hindi ako pwedeng maggawa ng drama dito. Hindi ako pwedeng maggawa ng chaos dito. So, this person will cut you off or will try na magtago o hindi magpahalata, hindi magparamdam. But there's a lot of emotions here with the waves. No? Which is yung feeling ng pagiging broken-hearted, feeling crushed, feeling empty. Nasasaktan siya, but pwedeng itago niya or ilihim niya tong sakit na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. You're dealing with someone, it could be your twin flame, soulmate, twin flame, yan. This could be a twin flame. There are signs that this is the one for you, but Some of you, it it requires a lot of waiting, especially kung may mga legal matter na involves marriage. Some of you may marriage na involved. So with the cleansing, this is like you need to clear something, clear the space. Tanggalin itong mga negatibo sa buhay mo. I mean, not necessarily the third party. Pero lahat ng negative sa buhay mo, I feel like hindi basta dadating itong person na ito sa buhay mo hanggat may nakikita pa siyang tao or mga negative na magiging dahilan kung bakit hindi mag-work out ito. Okay? So, I can see this person cutting you off. Pero behind that pagka-cut off, mahal ka niya, pero kailangan niya munang maghintay. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.